Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making something that you guys requested. In my last video, I asked what recipes, summer recipes you might like to watch, and most of you asked for salads. And I love salads, but I like salads with a bit of crunch, a bit of mixture of things. And I have shared lots of salads over the years, and you can find a lot of them on the channel. But today I'm making two salads, not one, but two in one video because they both are a bit different and they're quick, so quick, no cooking involved whatsoever, and they're delicious. So let's get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. I've got this corner all ready and I'll show you the ingredients for the two salads. So this is all part of one salad, really simple, and this is all part of the other salad, really simple. So like I said, no cooking, and I've said no cooking, but I'm just going to roast some seeds. So I take my I take my words back. Anyway, so I'm going to start by dry roasting some seeds for one of the salads. So like I said, I'm going to start by roasting some seeds, and there are no real measurements for it, but you are going to ask me for it, aren't you? Let's get the measuring spoons out. So a couple of tablespoons of sunflower seeds and a couple of tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, and just dry roast them for a couple of minutes. And I promise that is the only cooking we are going to do. Right, so it's been 2 minutes and you can see that the seeds have become shiny. So they're releasing their oil and they've got a really lovely color and I can smell them. That means they're ready. I'm going to take them out on a plate so that they cool down quickly. And once they cool down, they will crisp up. And you really need to kind of dry roast them to get the best of the flavors and make it really crispy. Right, so I'm using a couple of bunches of tomatoes. I've just not really got into growing any fruit and veg. We used to have a little patch of vegetables in the garden, and it just so happened that we've got lots and lots of cats in the neighborhood. So they liked the patch. There's not much to say because they loved the patch and they used it for all sorts. So I just couldn't take it anymore and I gave up, and I really need so much time and effort. So I really appreciate all this fresh fruit and vegetable. So just going to slice it open, just going to cut it into half and put it in a bowl. So I've chopped the tomatoes and I'm just chopping one red onion. I'm using red onion because I want that kind of flavor. You can use white as well, not a problem, but I prefer red onion in this salad, and I'm just roughly chopping it. Time to put it together. So I've got some balsamic vinegar and I'm using the same quantity of balsamic vinegar and olive oil. So if you're using 1 tablespoon balsamic, just use 1 tablespoon oil. You want the kind of same quantity. So I'm using 2 tablespoons balsamic, 2 tablespoons oil, and I'm going to add some lovely, lots of freshly ground pepper, and I need some nice seasoning, so sea salt. I'm just gonna the tiniest little whisk, and look, it emulsifies, becomes thicker, and that's what we're looking for. Now adding the onions. Just got like a few sprigs of basil and I'm roughly chopping it. That goes in there. The whisk job is done. You can go now. Then we add the tomatoes. Okay, so now I have got a block of feta. You could use how much you like. So I'm just going to use half a block, which is 100 grams, and then just crumble it in. And now I'm going to mix it up. And I'm just going to tear a few more basil leaves for the fresh greenness of it. And now for the best bits. And that, my friends, in literally 2 minutes is this tomato feta salad. Gorgeous, gorgeous salad ready. And I'm going to move on to the next one. Right, this is looking so gorgeous. I'm going to leave this aside and move on to the next one, which is a tahini chickpea cucumber rice salad. So first things first, I'm going to drain a tin of chickpeas. I'm using 400-gram tin. So just going to drain it and rinse it. Oops! Without dropping it all in the sink. I'm going to leave this aside while I attend to the other things so that a lot of this moisture can come out. So I'm just going to leave this here. Now you can use leftover rice, but I have got some plain leftover rice, but I'm using like a flavored rice. This is tomato. So I tear it and put it in the oven for 2 minutes. But like I said, please just use... Oh, did I say oven?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Sia's right. I put it in the oven for 2 minutes.
Oven again.
Oh my God, sorry. Good job, Sia's filming today. So I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Obviously, you can just read the instructions on the packet. You could use any you like. Leave that aside. I am going to chop up 1 cucumber, a red chili, and I just bought a red pepper. I'm going to wash all of this and chop it up like roughly. You know me, it's not going to be fine. Once the chickpeas have drained out nicely, they go in the bowl with the chopped up cucumber. I'm using a whole one. Obviously, you can use half if you like, but this salad is going to get eaten so quickly that I need to make decent quantity. And I'm just going to chop up 1 red chili and 1 red pepper like I've chopped up the cucumber. Also going to roughly chop 1 red onion to go in it. And the chili with the seeds, please. And all of this goes in the salad. That's all the crunchy, lovely bits. Give it a toss. For the herbs, I have chosen fresh coriander. Oh, love it. And fresh dill. And I'm just going to roughly chop it, not too finely because I want, you can chop it how you like, to be honest. You don't have to listen to me. And if you don't like coriander, at this point you can use parsley instead. I'm not a big fan. This goes in too. Lots of herbs, lots of crunch from the onions, protein from the chickpeas. Right, so for the dressing, I'm using let's get some sunshine. 2 tablespoons of lovely nutty tahini, which is a sesame seed paste. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of your choice of good quality olive oil. And now for, some seasoning. So lots of freshly ground pepper, and then just some salt. And the last thing to go is some lemon juice, if I can get some out of this lemon. Now you can enjoy these salads with some barbecue chicken, any kind of meat. You can also have this with burgers. I don't need to tell you how to enjoy the salad, to be extremely honest. The rice one, the second one that I'm making now, can be eaten just on its own because it's got everything. It's got protein, it's got carbs, it's got crunch, it's got everything in one. So that I would eat as a meal. So whatever is left today is going in Sia's lunchbox tomorrow for school. But the other one, basically enjoy it with anything you like, and I really do hope that you will try these salads. If you like these, or if you want to see me make more, then please let me know in the comments below. Right, let's carry on with the recipe first. So there's the dressing, beautiful dressing. Just gonna whisk it together, bring it together, let it emulsify, and then it goes in on top here. Smells so fresh. And now we'll add our slightly cooled down rice, tomato rice. Like I said, you could use brown rice, you could use plain rice, any leftover rice, and then mix. Oh, so fresh. Oh, smells awesome. Oh, sun's coming out, sun's coming out. Oh no, it's gone, it's gone. Sia is so hungry and so am I. I can't wait to tuck in. Just look at these gorgeous tomato feta seedy salad and the rice chickpea tahini salad. They both are so different. They're going to taste different and I'm going to taste them just for you guys. Well, those tomatoes are so good. That is beautiful, guys. The tomatoes, obviously, because they're seasonal, they have a different taste. The feta is just right. And those crunchy seeds. Please do make the effort of dry roasting them. It just took a couple of minutes. And the red onions are really key. That's summer on a plate. And this, I'm dying to taste. Oh, yes, please. It's just missing an extra pinch of salt. But wow, it's so fresh. With the herbs are just magical. The red peppers, the rice. Just take a bowl full of that and that's your lunch, that's your meal. You don't need anything with it. But whatever you choose to make, I really hope that these simple salad ideas will help and I hope you're going to try it. But don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to let me know about anything, then leave a comment. Bye for now.